Boil the peanuts in boiling hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. When they come out of the pot, they taste like a must-try dish from a high-end restaurant. Many people have never tried it. 58 yuan for one portion. But you can make it at home for just a few dollars. First, prepare 3 yuan worth of peanuts and pick out the bad ones. Then boil a pot of hot water in advance. Boil the peanuts in the boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need to cook them for too long. After boiling, turn off the heat and pour the soup with the peanuts directly into a large bowl. Cover and let it simmer for 30 minutes. The purpose of this step is to make the peanuts easier to peel. After soaking, peel the outer skin off the peanuts one by one. You'll need to be patient here. The soaked peanuts are easier to peel, and you can even ask your family or your husband to help. Prepare some small ingredients in advance. Get some dried chili peppers and cut them into small pieces with scissors. Put them in a bowl along with Sichuan peppercorn and 3 bay leaves. Pour in the right amount of water and let them soak for a while. Now start to heat the oil. You don't need to pour too much, just enough to coat the peanuts. Pour the oil into the pan with the peanuts. Turn on low heat and fry slowly, stirring occasionally. Friends, I cook with fresh peppers every day. It's not easy to make these videos. If you think my video is helpful, please give it a like and share it. Thank you very much. Fry the peanuts until the skins are slightly yellow. This should take about 5 minutes. Once done, take them out and place them on a plate. By now, your soaked spices should be ready. Pour out the excess water, then add them to the oil pan. Turn on low heat and fry slowly until all the water evaporates. You'll soon smell a fragrant and spicy aroma. Next, pour in the fried peanuts. Add a spoonful of chili powder, some salt, and 5 spice powder. Stir well, and it's done. You can smell the fragrance from afar, spicy, salty, and crispy. This delicious wine peanut dish is ready. If you have leftover peanuts at home, you must try this recipe. Serve it with wine and dishes or enjoy it as a snack. It's incredibly tasty, spicy, flavorful, and addictive. Honestly, it's more delicious than the ones sold outside. If you've learned it, try it at home. Click on the subscribe button to see more home-cooked food videos. See you next time.